Hello everyone. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about collision theory of reaction rates for bimolecular reactions when collision occur between dissimilar molecules. In my previous video, I have explained collision theory of reaction rates for bimolecular reactions when collision occur between similar molecules. So here I am going to discuss in detail the case where collision occur between dissimilar molecules. So this is an example of two dissimilar molecules. H2 plus I2 gives 2Hi. Consider a bimolecular reaction. A plus B gives product. In previous video, we have taken here A plus A because we have two similar molecules. But in this case, we have dissimilar reactant molecules. That is, we have different reactant molecules. So we taken one molecule as A and another as B. The number of collisions per unit volume per unit time between the molecules A and B are given by ZAB is equal to sigma square AB under root of 8 pi kt upon mu into Na into Nb. So this is equation number 17. Numbering is in continuation to the previous video. In previous video, the numbering is up to 16. And this video, in this video, the numbering is proceeding from 17 onwards. Now, where sigma AB is distance of closest approach or effective molecular diameter for collision between molecules A and B. And A and NB are the number of molecules and of A and B per unit volume of the container. And mu is the reduced mass. In previous video, we have taken here Ma because we have two similar molecules having their same mass. But in this case, we have two different reactant molecules, so they have different molar mass. So we take here reduced mass, and it is given by 1 upon mu is equal to 1 upon Ma plus 1 upon Mb, where Ma is the molar mass of reactant A and Mb is molar mass of reactant B, or mu is equal to MAMB upon MA plus MB. Hence, equation 17 can be written as ZAB is equal to sigma square AB under root of 8 pi kt. In place of mu, put this value. Then we get MAMB upon MA plus MB into NA into NB. The collision number ZAB in terms of molar mass can be expressed by substituting the following in equation 18. Ma is equal to Ma upon n, Mb is equal to Mb upon n, and K is equal to R by n, where R is gas constant and n is Avogadro's number. Capital M and capital B are molar masses of A and B respectively. Therefore, equation 8 becomes ZAB is equal to sigma square AB under root of 8 pi. In place of K, put the value R by n into T. In place of Ma, put this value, and in place of Mb, put this value, and we get this equation. On solving this equation, we get this. According to collision theory, the rate of fraction in terms of molecules of A reacting per centimeter cube per second is given by, rate is given by minus dNA by dt is equal to rate of reactant B is given by minus dNB by dt is equal to ZAB into e raised power minus Ea upon RT. Substitute the value of ZAB in above relation. So this is the value of ZAB. Put this value in this relation, then we get this value. The units of rate are molecules per centimeter per second. Also, the rate is given by K and A into NB. In previous video, I have taken here Na square because we have two similar molecules, so they have same number. Here we have two different molecules, so we take here and taking here K and A into NB, where K is the rate constant. Now compare equation 19 and 20. We get these rates, left hand sides are equal, this Na and we get cancelled by this, then we get this relation. Now on comparing equation 21 with Arrhenius equation, we get K is A is equal to sigma square AB under root of 8 pi kt Ma plus Mb upon Ma into Mb centimeter cube per molecule per second. This Ea upon RT, this term exponential factor get cancelled by this exponential factor. To express the rate, equation 20, rate constant This is rate constant, and this is rate constant, and this is frequency factor. In terms of molar concentration of AB, we proceed as follows. Equation number 20, 19, 21 and 22 are the expressions in terms of molar mass. Now we are going to represent this in terms of molar concentration. For this, concentration of A is given by Na into 1000 upon N, where N is Avogadro's number, and A is equal to N into A upon 1000. dN is equal to N upon 1000 dA. dA is equal to 1000 upon N dNA. Therefore, dA upon dt is equal to 1000 upon N dNA by dt. Similarly, for B, we get this relation. Therefore, the reaction rate is given by this rate is equal to 1000 upon N dNA by dt. Now, substitute this value from equation 19 into equation 25. We get equation 19 is this. Now, in place of minus dNA by dt, this is dNA by dt. So, in place of minus dNA by dt, we put this value. And putting this value, we get this relation. Now, substitute the value of Na and Nb from equation 23 and 24 in equation 26. This is 24, this is 23. Now, substitute these values in this equation. We get tan raised power 3 upon N sigma square AB under root of 8 pi kt Ma plus Mb upon Ma into Mb, and in place of Na put this value, and in place of Nb put this value, and this is this is frequency factor. Now this 1000 get cancelled by this 1000, this N get cancelled by this N, so we get this relation. Now comparing this equation with general rate equation to find the rate constant in terms of molar concentration. So rate is for bimolecular reaction given by K is equal to concentration of A into B. Then on comparing, left hand side of both the equations are same. So we get K is equal to and upon tan raised power 3 sigma square AB under root of 8 pi kt Ma plus Mb upon Ma into Mb e raised power minus Ea upon RT liter per mole per second. Now comparing this equation with Arrhenius equation in order to find the frequency factor. This is Arrhenius equation. On comparing these equations, left hand side of these equations are equal, and this frequency factor get cancelled by this frequency factor. So remaining term is A is equal to N upon 1000 sigma square AB under root of 8 pi RT Ma plus Mb upon Ma into Mb liter per moles per second. So equation number 27, 28, 27 is equation for rate. This is equation for rate constant, and this is equation for frequency factor, and these three equations are in terms of molar concentration. This is all about the collision theory for bimolecular reactions when the collision occur between dissimilar molecules. Thanks.